Compass and flint are my sole possessions. Rivers and trails are my avenues. Pelts and furs are my only attire. Wild horses are my vehicles. Ferns and gullies are my natural surroundings. Redwoods are my cathedrals. Blue jays and robins are my violins. The sparrows are my piano. The moon and stars are my cinema. The bonfire is my furnace. The pine boughs are my lying mattress. The morning sun brings me purpose. The ground below is my mother earth. The blue sky is my heaven above. The raindrops are my weeping tears, and the solitude is what I dream of. The wilderness has possessed my lost soul. Soul Possessions by Joe Dobbs.